AddUp is a French company coming from France, and we're very happy to become a member of the RISE AM Center here in Gothenburg. So AddUp is an expert in metal additive manufacturing. We're a manufacturer of components as well as a manufacturer of machines in two technologies, directed energy deposition and laser powder bed fusion. AddUp is very excited to be here in the Nordic countries to introduce its technologies to the industrial companies. We have a very strong industrial background coming from the companies Michelin and Fives, a joint venture of those two companies that are believing very strongly in the potential of additive manufacturing for all verticals in the industry, whether motorsport, automotive, aerospace, space, luxury, you name it. So AddUp has built this strong expertise of making parts and as well as machines. Making machines helps us do very good parts. Doing parts helps us do good machines. And what we are very much looking forward to doing here in the Nordic countries is collaborate with RISE and all the other members of the AM Center to actually identify the right applications, develop them and qualify them. We all look forward to seeing a lot more serial production with additive manufacturing. That's what AddUp has been doing for many years already in several sectors in France, Italy, and as well as Germany. There is a big opportunity now for the Nordic industrial companies to actually access to this technology and be supported all the way from the first designs to serial production.